Hello, class. It's a great day, and I hope that everyone has a wonderful day ahead. So, in this the video lecture, I'm going to discuss about business opportunity identification. Okay, my name is Michael Victor Gonzalez, and I'm your instructor in our subject in Introduction to Agricultural Commodity and Enterprise Development. So, our topics in this video lecture: first, generating ideas for agribusiness in agricultural commodities in the Philippines. And next topic is how to start an agribusiness in the Philippines. Third is agriculture business ideas that require minimal investments, which are related to different commodities. And the last topic is market research in agriculture commodity and enterprise development in the Philippines. Okay, so first, let's have a discussion in generating ideas for agribusiness in agricultural commodities in the Philippines. So, in generating ideas for agribusiness requires a combination of understanding the local agricultural landscape and also identifying market trends and considering sustainable and innovative approaches. So the following slides I prepared are some of the potential agribusiness ideas for agricultural commodities here in the Philippines. So first idea is organic farming. Since given the increasing global demand for organic produce, you can consider starting an organic farm specializing in crops like rice, vegetables, or fruits. Organic certification can fetch higher prices in both local and international markets. Next is aquaculture. So in the Philippines, in our country, this is we are well known for our aquaculture industry since we are surrounded by the body of waters. And as you consider setting up a fish or shrimp farm, focusing on sustainable practices to meet the growing demand for seafoods. Next idea is in coconut-based products. So since in the Philippines is a major coconut producer, everywhere you go you can see coconut trees. So this you can explore value-added products like coconut oil, coconut milk, coconut water, and coconut-based snacks for export and local markets. Next is cacao and chocolate production. So the demand for high quality chocolate is rising globally. It is really, there is a huge demand for this commodity. And you can establish a cacao plantation and process the beans into premium chocolate products. Next idea is beekeeping and honey production. So beekeeping is a sustainable venture that can produce honey, beeswax, and other bees or other related products out of bee production. So this can support local pollination. It is also good in our ecosystem and also a good source of extra income. Next idea is spice and herb farming. So growing spice or spices and herbs such as turmeric, ginger, and basil can be profitable, and these are used both domestically and internationally. Next is rice milling and processing. So if you invest in rice milling and processing facilities to support local farmers, You can also explore producing specialty rice varieties like organic, aromatic, or heirloom rice, which can demand a higher price because of their um, uh, demand or acceptability. Next is livestock farming. You may consider poultry, hog, or goat farming. Livestock farming can provide a steady source of income through meat and dairy production. And also, one of the rising industry in agriculture is hydroponics and vertical farming, since this type of agriculture is can be applied in urban areas because hydroponics doesn't require a soil as long as you have a space that can conducive for plant growth where sunlight can provide to your that good exposure to sunlight that can provide to your plants. You can set up this farming practice or farming system. Given a limited arable land, these are hydroponics and vertical farming can really help maximize our crop yields. So ideally, leafy greens, herbs, and small vegetables can be grown in urban areas. So as I attach to this slide, there is a 21-year-old student who establishes his hydroponic business with only 1,000 pesos capital. You may also read the other article attached to this slide. And also, agrotourism. Combine agriculture with tourism by setting up an agrotourism venture. Visitors can learn about farming practices while enjoying a rural experience. You may also consider this one, especially if you have that place or location that are really ideal for agrotourism. Next is exporting exotic fruits. So the Philippines produces a variety of exotic fruits like durian, dragon fruit, and rambutan. So you may explore export opportunities for these fruits targeting international markets. And also in our agricultural technology, you may develop or invest in agricultural technology solution such as farm management software, drone-based monitoring, or LOT devices to improve agricultural productivity and efficiency. So nowadays, even robotics are being explored that can help and provide assistance in our agricultural production. Next is food processing. So process agricultural commodities into value-added products like fruits, fruit jams, dried fruits, or pickled vegetables for both domestic and export markets. And also sustainable farming practices consultancy. You may offer consultancy services to farmers looking to adopt sustainable and environmentally friendly farming practices. These can include organic certification guidance, soil health management, and water resource optimization. And seed production and distribution. So you may focus on producing high quality seeds of crops in demand, such as hybrid rice or disease resistant vegetables, and distribute them to local farmers. Okay, class? So before you pursuing any of these ideas, it is essential to conduct a thorough market research, assess the feasibility, and consider factors like the location, funding, and government regulation. Additionally, Adopting a sustainable and environmentally responsible practices can help ensure your long-term success in the agribusiness sector.